How to verify account on Wise. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to verify your account in Wise. So let's know first why verifying an account on Wise is important. It is important for them to know and to make sure that they're safe and secure for all their customers, and as well as compliant with all of the relevant money laundering rules. It also helps them to combat money laundering and keep everyone's money safe. So depending on when or where you are sending money from and how much you spend, they will ask you to verify your identity, and this would help you or them keep your money safe. And as well, for us consumers or clients or users of Wise, it is also extra protection for us that this site is verifying and has security precautions or options, and to think that our money is safe when using Wise.
Benefits of depositing money on Wise is you can save on fees. It offers some of the lowest fees in the industry for international money transfers. Also, you can get your money faster. Wise transfers are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days, and some can be completed even faster. Third would be easy to use. Wise is a very user-friendly platform. You can create an account and start sending money in minutes. All you need is the recipient's bank account details, as I am going to show you later. Fourth would be multi-currency support. Wise supports over 50 currencies, and you can send and receive money from all over the world. Lastly would be the security. Wise is a regulated financial institution, and your money is protected by the state. And it is also a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which means that your money is protected up to £85,000 per person if Wise goes out of business.
So without further ado, let's get started. First is you need to go to wise.com, and then you will click login or register if you don't have an account. So after clicking the login, you need to put your email address and then your password, or if it is connected to your Google account, you may click this one, or in Facebook account if it is connected, or on your Apple account. And then after logging into your account, you will see your Wise dashboard. And then we're going to verify our account by clicking on your profile, and then click the settings, and then in here you will see the email settings, and if it is not yet connected to your Google or email account, you may put your email address to verify. And you can also change your email address, and then after verifying your email address, you will see here verified. Also, you can verify it by connecting your accounts. Let's click this connected accounts, and then you need to connect your bank account. So let's click this connect your bank account, and then let's wait for it to load. And for the bank account location, select the country in which your bank account is located. And Wise is currently supporting only 3 countries that are listed below, such as United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. So for example, let's click this United States. And then for this process, this is safe, secure, and will allow you to reuse the account you connect for future payments. For the connection methods, for instant verification, you can click this, just sign into your US bank account instantly to verify your bank account, or you can also do manual verification, and it would take 3 days. You will use your US bank's routing and account number, and it takes up to 3 working days. So let's try to click this instant verification. And then in here, Wise uses Play to verify your bank account, and you can go back and verify manually without Play instead. And you will be directed to log into your bank. Verification takes less than a minute, and use this account later when you pay for your transfer, or also you can remove this connection anytime in your account settings. One way also for verifying your account is by sending money. So let's try clicking to send money, and then you can send from your bank or from your Wise balance. Let's try, for example, and then you will put your amount, desired amount, on how much you want to send, and then click continue. And then the recipient, you may put yourself, for example, new recipient, and click myself, and then you need to enter your bank account. You can do it connecting your bank account in here by putting the full name of the account holder, the bank name, and the account number, and you should enter the name exactly as it appears on the recipient's bank account. A mismatch may cause a delay or a rejection of your transfer. Okay, so you should take note of this. And then you may also opt to choose your e-wallet by providing your full name, wallet provider, and recipient's e-wallet number. Then after confirming it, you're going to review your sending money, and then just hit verified or okay, and then you're now verified by clicking or connecting your bank account through your Wise account. And that is it. That is how you verify your Wise account. And if you have any further questions or concerns about connecting your Wise account, or you have trouble connecting it, don't hesitate to comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again the next time.